the thumbs up on every video still there. Cause like, bro, he's been there since like my 4th video. He's just always been commenting thumbs up. Okay. What first? Is it his left or? Okay, I get it. Bonnie's left. Okay. Hi, Bonnie. Oh, I thought it was me dying. Okay. Okay.
Let's close him up.
Okay. Oh shoot.
Then close up the faceplate.
I think. Oh yeah. Wait, what's that? Give me that. Yay. Oh.
Well done.
I don't think that was. I didn't think that would ever happen, but I don't know what I'm saying. I'm being the master yapper. As you can tell, I'm kind of not like good at this anymore because I haven't done it in a. Oh, I'm not supposed to tap it. Yay! Chica, can I eat it? Yay! Okay. Let's do the next one. Let's do Chica, and then we'll play something else. This is actually really cool, though. Like, I'm actually surprised that this game is on Roblox. It actually is like pretty good.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Oh, by the way, actually, you guys will see it. You got these. Oh, wait, one. Can I eat it? Look, guys, it's Richard. It's one of Richard's minions. Oh, okay. Don't you go anywhere. Okay. I'm so good at this game. Where is it? Oh, one. Oh, hi. Get out of here. Where'd it go? I'm trying. Where did it? Come on. Hi. I don't know about hugs. Here, you can have one. I want this. I will. Let me just feed the chicken. I will eat it. Bro, I swear. I ate it. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna speedrun that. Just speed this up. Restart. Yeah, because I'm on the first video to be edited, so just a few to do. Just go ahead and speed it up and stop it once we get to that point again. Yes, I know, anyway. Don't you dare make my voice super high-pitched. Okay, speedrun.
Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Good job. Make sure Chica is not avoid inhaling the chemistry.
Come on.
Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result. Well done. Oh no, it looks like Chica needs another dose of chemistry. Do not let the
Can I eat it? Oh yeah. Come here.
Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done.
Quick, feed.
See you next
Feed
time.
Chica. Okay. That was actually really fast. I don't know what else I should really upload. Now that my computer's not laggy anymore. Get out of here. Now that my computer's not laggy anymore, I can record some games on Steam again. If you guys want to see any, just tell me. Oh shoot, I forgot. We didn't show you guys, but me and Richie beat FNAF Co-op Night 5. Whoa. Multiple. Whoa, hi. How you doing? No, never. Okay. Oh, Night Terrors. Let's do that. I always like that one. Well, I hope they make like a Help 1 and 2 version of this game, cause like that one is so much cooler than this one. This one is just like all the games and some fun mini games, but that one is like it's like, yeah, it doesn't have any of those random games. But wait, I should have read the instructions. I have no idea how to move. Oh. Let me move. I think I'm dead. I'm literally pressing every button. Hi. Oh. Hi. Okay, maybe I should read the... okay. You don't need it. How about give me tips on the one I'm playing? Game. Okay, it tells me how to play again. No, let me go back. Okay, flashlight is right click. Teleport is space. Closed door is left click. Okay. Can I go back to the middle? Huh? Do I just hold it shut? Oh, hi. Okay, you know, maybe we should save this one for the next video. I'm not super good at it. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be the one where you like hide in the closet. I think that's the next night of this. But I kind of suck. Like any FNAF 4 game, I just suck at. I don't know why. Like any spin-off or anything. It's just like a curse. I don't know. I am enjoying the Fazbear virtual experience.
That there may be visual artifacts left behind from
Okay.
the testing phase of development. If you see any such artifacts, we recommend.
Let's do this vent repair. Because vent repair is always fun. This one was also one of my favorites from the game, just because it's not just one of the base games, just like looking better. It's actually something like original. Yeah, I know how to play vent repair, I swear.
Welcome to Vent Repair.
Okay, thank you.
Entertainment prides itself.
Uh-oh. You just look at them to make them go away and copy patterns, something I'm good at. Ooh, wait, you guys can't see the red light on my screen, huh? How do I turn on my headlight? Okay, maybe I should have read the instructions. Game. Oh, hi. Okay, there we go. Hi. Okay, this one's easy. I just go flip, flip. Then I go flip, 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 flop. Skedaddle. Yellow, blue, red. Okay. I probably should have looked back once I saw red. I get it, I'm dead. Stupid, get out of here. Keep forgetting how fast Mangle is. Did we even see her in that jump scare? Did it just like kind of bug out? Or whatever they are? I don't really know. Okay, I get it. I know I suck. I go. I go. Flip, flip, fix, hit, flip, flip. Bye. I'll get first. Okay, green, red, yellow. Blue, green, red, yellow. Oh, yeah, safe. I'm not sure. Okay. What's it? I think oh, wait, watch the video. Just keep it. Also, find another channel. You can watch the video. This is watch one minute. I don't know if I've seen it. It's my source. That's the only way I can see. So, yeah, and we can just the last screen. But what is this a lot different than? Oh, yeah, I see. I'll see. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Try to try. Oh, sorry. What's your wait, let me. Oh, thanks, no. Yes, oh. Okay, I'll yes. That one, this one. This one. Yay. I should do what I see here. Because I'm down. That one goes here. That one goes here. That one goes here. Yay. Let's do this. I'm gonna go on the color fighting one. Bye. That one goes. That's right. I want to get rid of mango first. Okay. Green, red, yellow. Blue, green, red, yellow. Huh? Whoa. Yeah, I'm safe. I hope I sure don't get jump scared.
72 degrees.
Oh, I don't. Yay.
See you next time.
Meow. Let's do another vent repair, because why not? And I'll try the Fun Time Freddy one again, because I think I understand now. Let's see if I can click super fast. Oh, by the way, go check out Richard's new video, because he's pretty cool. And I'll also link my friend Lorenzo's channel. He's the people I was making videos with yesterday, but I didn't really upload. Because they were kind of mid. Well, actually, one wasn't mid, but I kind of forgot to set a scene on OBS, which... Let me show you guys what a scene is real quick. It's one of these, or a source. And I forgot to set the one where you guys can actually, like, see. So... yeah. You could just hear us and it was a black screen. Whoa, what? This is a lot different than... Oh, I'm in the elevator. I see. I'll listen to you. Oh. Yeah, I kind of died earlier, huh? Okay. I don't care. Should I, like, crack a belt? Hold up, let me try.
Motion trigger.
Oh, this one doesn't crack. Motion trigger, huh? Wait, what's happening? Oh, nothing's happening right now. Guess, oh. Okay, I won't guess this time. That one was this one. This one. Yay. I sure do hope I don't see entered. Cause that would be bad. That one goes here. That one goes here. That one goes here. Yay! I'm so good at this one. I'm way better at this one than the color finding one. That. Oh, hi. That one goes. Wait, am I supposed to, like, right click? Joseph, go ahead and speed up back to that point. Whoa. Oh, they get a little quirky at night. Just like Richard. That one is this one, and that one is this one. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to like right click or press space. Right click. Still don't know what I'm supposed to do while looking in here. Yes, but I'm looking at you. Hi. This one's hard. Where's the next box? Go away. Get out of my face, bud. Go! Okay, so I think I'm supposed to like right click or press space. Right click. Still don't know what I'm supposed to do while looking in here. Yes, okay. Where's this one? Wait, can I fix it? No! Whoa! Okay, I'm so done with this vent repair. I'll do this in the next one. Let me skip to the funny one. Actually, how long have I been recording? Oh, only 20 minutes. I can record for like 30. Joseph shortens these down. Balloon Boy loves to play pranks. I hate Balloon Boy, so he's my biggest op. Okay, I know Foxy can see through the mask. Maybe I should play what I'm good at, but that's no fun. You guys want to see me die. I kind of wish I was more scared when playing these games, but like, I don't know. I've just never really been scared of horror games. If you guys have any like super scary ones that you think will scare me, just tell me. Stupid Ennard. I hate night terrors. Actually, wait. Let me go flip. Is there any I can do? Custom night. Aww. Man. Never mind. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna close my eyes and spam them. And spam Q. And 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. I'm honestly just too scared. Actually, not scared, but like, I don't know how to explain it. I'm too bad at the Funtime Freddy one. I'm gonna be stuck on the same spot for like ever, probably. And I'm good at FNAF 2. Probably one of my best games. I know how to play. Whoa! This is... Get out of here.
Hello, and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved
I get it. Let me skip.
I'm here to talk you through some of the things
Get out of here.
you expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location.
Yes, I know. I'm chilling. I'm Freddy. Whoa! Get out of here. Joseph can speed up to her until they attack. I'm just trying to throw everything I can. Oh, coin. Yay. They should make me a voice actor for this game. Oh shoot, I still need to do that one, what's it called? Game. The one where they're all like puppets. Oh wait, is that the cup I threw? It is. Where is the stupid yellow bird? Whoa! Jump scare. Hi, Freddy. Is that Freddy Fazbear? Or. Hi, Freddy. Hi, Freddy. How's it going, man? Good? That's good to hear. You know, Freddy, you're super cool. You're a cool bear. Super cool. So can you like come in and attack me, or I'm just gonna stare at me? Maybe he doesn't want to attack me because we're friends, you know? Like, me and him are just chill like that. Oh, hey Bonnie, I hate you. Freddy's way cooler than you. Freddy supremacy. But I hate the stupid yellow bird more than both. Actually, I don't hate Freddy at all, so. Freddy, come in, bro. Thank you. How's it going, bro? What's up? Jeez. Fine. Oh, coin. Where did that coin come from? There's no way I overlooked it. It came after Freddy attacked, right? Hi, Bonnie. Oh, never mind. You don't want to say hi to me yet. I'll say hi to you first. Oh, never mind. Oh, Chica. Hi, Chica. I hate you, stupid yellow bird. Hi, Bonnie. How's it going, man? Good. At least you're not that stupid yellow bird again. I hate that stupid chicken. Okay, let me tell you guys why I started to hate chickens. It's not because Richard likes chickens. We were playing a game that it was like one of the bad recordings that I made yesterday. Dude, it was like where you to catch chickens and sacrifice them, and they would not stand still. They were so annoying, and they would not stop going like It was like the most annoying thing in the world. Anyways, I should probably start doing my outro. Because there's no way I'd die right now. I won't even put the mask, even if they come in. I'm gonna look for them on cameras. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of this game, just let me know. And, this video should be out in a couple days, so, yeah. I'll probably upload a non-edited one today, too. So, bye guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, because it kind of helps me out a lot. Even if it's just one person, it boosts me on, like, the algorithm a lot. So, thanks for watching. Bye.